Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the Hailey's Beauty Foundation, and I'm also going to be using some of the products that I got from a PR package that they sent me about a month and a half ago. So to start off, I'm going to prime my face with the No Pore Problem primer from Touch in Soul. I have a little sample here because I ran out of my big one already, but I really like this primer. So I'm going to put this primer just right here on my T-zone to help fill in some of my pores. So the foundation that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Form Liquid Luxe Foundation, and this says it's an oil-free foundation offering medium buildable coverage for a natural, healthy looking glow. So this is a foundation that I'm going to be trying out today, and I have the foundation in the shade 4.0. This says it's a medium coverage and it's a luminous fit. So this foundation comes in a pump, so I'm going to pump some of this in the back of my hand. It looks a little bit dark. So I'm going to apply it to my face with this beauty blender from Jeffinesque. I'm going to start by putting it in little stippling motions like this. So the first thing, if you've never tried Hailey's Beauty Cosmetics, they have a very distinct smell. It is quite strong. I have tried their other foundation and it smells exactly the same. So if you don't like fragrance or if you don't like strong smell, I don't think this foundation is for you. It is quite strong. So far we're just applying one layer. It looks like this. It's not exactly medium coverage. I think it's a little bit more on the light side, but it's definitely luminous. It doesn't have that matte finish like that other foundation that they have. I think I'm gonna have to use another pump. I think the only downside from their things that I have tried, their products, is that smell. It is quite strong. This is how it looks blended out. I think it looks really pretty. It is definitely a lot darker than the shade. It's a lot darker than the shade that it shows right here on the bottom of the bottle. It probably oxidizes a little bit, so that is definitely something to think about. Okay, so now I'm going to also use their concealer cream. I have this in the shade Medium Neutral, and it comes like this with this little wand. Same thing, this smells exactly the same like the foundation. So this concealer says it's a lightweight natural concealer cream offering natural buildable coverage for all day wear. So this is definitely buildable, demi-matte, and it's supposed to be good for normal to combination skin. So definitely I see how this can be built up. Okay, so this is the foundation and the concealer completely blended out. It definitely covered a little bit under my eyes. I don't want to say it's a full coverage because it didn't fully cover everything, but it looks pretty nice. I like it. The concealer is definitely more matte. It's not as luminous as the other one. So now I'm gonna take their Perfecting Powder Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the shade, I think this doesn't have like different shades. It doesn't have a shade under here. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes. Set the concealer. Like that. And then what is left over in the bottom on here on the cap, I'm going to take this brush and I'm gonna I'm gonna swirl it all over my face. Just to set everything in place. So this is how it looks, completely set with nothing else, no bronzer, no blush, no contour, no nothing. It's just the foundation, the concealer, and their powder. And I think so far I really like how it looks. It does look a little cakey between my eyebrows, but besides that it looks really nice and it's soft. And definitely lightweight. The smell is kind of gone. It's not completely like gone. I can still smell it a little bit, but it's not as strong as it was when I was applying it. Okay, so now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and do this real quick and fast forward, and then I'll come back after I do all my face and put some lip gloss on. Okay, so this is how the makeup looks after I applied some bronzer, some blush, and some highlight, and then I set it with my Milani Fix It spray, and I really like it. It looks super nice. I definitely would not wear this foundation every day because it does have more coverage than what I thought at the beginning. I really do like it though. I don't know. I was not expecting to like it as much as I like it. I think it pairs really well with the concealer, and the powder looks really nice as well. So I definitely like it. The cool thing about this foundation right now, and as I was looking up some of the information about it, it says on their website that they're having a sale. So if you buy the foundation, this is $26, but right now they have it at $20, and the powder is also $20, and the concealer is, I believe it's like $14. That's what the concealer is, but right now if you purchase, this one is on sale. So if you purchase something from their website right now, they have a free sponge with any order that you do, but this is actually on sale, so you will get it for $20 instead of $26. So I do definitely recommend it if you're looking for something that is full coverage, definitely medium to full coverage, and luminous, very pretty. It definitely does not look cakey, so I really like it. So I was not expecting that. You can buy this at Target. I got my first foundation from Target from them, and this I got sent in a PR box. So I just wanted to show it to y'all. I'm going to be using it a little bit more and see how it wears throughout the day, and then I will add in the description in the bottom, put what my results were and see how long it lasted. So that's it for today's video. If you have any more recommendations of what foundations I should try, or what should I review next, or what brand should I review next, please leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the little notification bell so you can get my notifications of when I post new videos. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.